Day 2 of being a chef on a yacht. We woke up about 5 a.m. because today we are leaving Miami. Had my morning coffee and then had to get my galley prepped. For this, we just need to stow things away so it doesn't move around when we're underway. And we're off. As we were leaving, I saw Captain Mark out of the command bridge and I was like, dude, who's driving the boat? So apparently this boat is remote control operated. There he goes, just steering the boat. Said goodbye to Miami, and the 5 o'clock wake-up time was well worth it. The sunrise was gorgeous. And freaking dolphins came to escort us out. Like, what? This is something you see in movies. So the guests were finally ready for breakfast. I made them some coffee, and just did a simple breakfast with croissants, Nutella, and raspberries. I had some breakfast, and then worked on my menu. I baked a cake for dessert tonight, but it actually came out slanted because we're underway. It gives a character. I cut up some romaine for lunch, threw in some tomatoes and cucumber, and tossed it with red wine vinegar and olive oil. And don't forget to season your salads with salt and pepper. I have tons of basil on board, so I threw some leaves into the dressing. This is the view from my galley. It can't get any better. Sliced up some strawberries for the strawberry shortcake tonight, added a little touch of sugar, and shook it up. For lunch, I made shredded beef sandwiches with chips and a salad. And now it's on to prep for dinner. For an appetizer, I am making summer rolls with a peanut dipping sauce. And then I check my prep list to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. And on to summer roll prep. I'm doing red cabbage, green cabbage. I put rice vermicelli and a lot of fresh herbs. And put some shrimp in them as well. Now for dinner, I'm doing bok choy. So just slice it up and then I'll saute it. Also some jasmine rice and seared miso butter scallops. And for dessert, I made strawberry shortcake. Cleaned up my galley, watered my basil plants, and headed to bed. Bye, little chef.